gonna start recording. Okay. Yeah, all right, go.
I just want to say I'm just so happy to be here. This is a great time to be alive.
Yes.
Okay, this is a great time to be
Y'all
alive.
have nothing good. That's good.
We're in December. This
like
is
the end of the month. We made it. We made it.
The closing of 2025. I don't know why I'm excited. Like New Year's is tomorrow. I'm just
basically
like for real. That's how you gotta wake up.
I love excitement.
You gotta wake up like yo. Today something great is gonna happen to me.
You see that? You wake up with like inspiration. Like something great. Is
every day something great is gonna happen. When I tell y'all today is only December 4th, so many good things have happened to me.
Yes.
In a matter of 4 days.
Basically.
I mean, life has just like changed. My perception has changed. My way of thinking has changed. And I'ma just tell y'all, it starts with you.
It really do start with y'all.
You can't worry about what other people gonna do and how they gonna change and this, that, and the third. None of that matters. You gotta change. You gotta change them by changing you. Like for real. Wake up every day. And be grateful that you are here, because you could be on the other side.
Going on the blink of an eye.
You can be going on the other side, because a lot of people didn't wake up today, unfortunately.
At all.
Young and old. It's not just the old people. The young people are checking out of here. They're checking out of here. All types of issues,
all types of stuff, and
stress, and all that kind of stuff. So
just be thankful for life, y'all.
So be thankful for life.
That's one thing we want to leave y'all. Be thankful for life.
That's first and foremost, because health is wealth.
As well. And taking care of yourself as well too. So today, y'all, we will be doing a cute classic bob with some blonde highlights. I'm a surpriser. I'm a surpriser. She can't look at the style at all. So even when I cut it, she can't look at it at all.
I'm just here.
So I'm gonna teach y'all how to do it. Because I'm going to teach classes, in the future. But for right now, I'm going to teach y'all a little 1, 2 for the upcoming stylists and just people that want to do your own hair.
Yeah.
So first, we're going to start with a trim because we want to keep her ends nice and healthy. You see her hair is growing.
Let me tell y'all.
Show the back, y'all. Her hair is growing, bro.
Now, that was her choice, unfortunately. But he was that manipulative. He ain't do nothing for my mom.
No.
He did not. And nobody can tell me otherwise.
Make sure y'all straighten out that roots. We do not want the kinky roots with the straightened ends. Get every piece, do as small sections as you can. Make sure them roots are really straight. Class is coming soon. Spray black spray if you want to define part. So exaggerating it like that.
He's still talking about it?
Yeah, that's what means it's not genuine.
No, it's not.
That can't be seen. The only thing he cared about was himself.
And his image.
You see the way he treats Cassie.
Poor thing. She was so pretty.
That poor thing.
Yes, she's about to live a new life. Let's pause the show.
Yes.
Let's really get into it and give a rich wife. Hold on.
I'm loving it.
Hold on.
I'm loving the color in the bottom.
And that's the fact that your hair is right there. That's why you can't cut too much.
Oh, I know.
Your hair is right there. Look at that. Nah, this your color. I just love the blonde on you. Like, do the behind the ear so they know it's real. Oh, oh, look at that cut. Who is she? It's giving rich. Book your appointments. Stop playing.
Book them.
Book your appointments. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. And it just bounced back. Who y'all out here doing this? Book y'all appointments. And make sure you watch the YouTube video, period. That's so pretty. And it goes with your outfit too. You know, this the last part. Like, you know, give them a positive word, Naya. Tell them something cute for the holiday, just for the, you know, for the people.
It is the holidays.
Yeah, give them something positive.
Besides just being grateful, love yourself. You gotta love yourself. Take care of you. Take care of you first. Because if you don't take care of you, you can't really take care of you.
And what can we learn from the whole thing we was watching today, Diddy? What can we learn? We can learn a lot, but what can we learn?
A whole lot. That kind of, I gotta go home and watch something clean now.
Yes, you got to. That's a lot. It's on the heart.
A lot on the heart.
What can we learn?
Be mindful of who you let into your heart.
And what you do, because it comes back to life.
It do come back. What you do, that circle back around. So you always gotta, you gonna pay.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying, you gonna pay. Be kind to others. That's why I always say, like, be mindful of what you do, especially to good people. Especially to good people.
Because Cassie was a good person.
Yeah, that's unfortunate what happened to her. Nobody should have to go through all that trauma and drama. That's not why God got us here.
Yeah.
So my word is to just be.
And money ain't everything. Fame and fortune ain't everything.
You know what? I say all the time. Health is wealth.
Yeah. Just because a man got money, it doesn't mean nothing.
If you don't have mental peace in your heart and in your mind, you poor. You poor, and that's when you start making crazy decisions and start doing things like that you don't usually do. And then we got situations like this where, you know, you're stuck into a situation that you really, really don't need to be in. So save yourself some time and energy, or make right decisions, love yourself, be kind to others, enjoy every moment of life, because we do not, you ain't have to be here.
It's not granted.
And it's not promised tomorrow. Love y'all.
Bye. Oh, sorry. Bye, y'all. All right. Thank you, Naya.
Love you, guys.
Oh, let's take our picture for the
yes.
for the what you call it? I mean.